I'd like to offer this short video as a kind of an extension of the directions that you've been laid down here in writing for you for your project for CST 373. The final project, my goal is to get you into kind of that analytical framework to look at various ethnic regions or parts of the world or nations and consider the communication barriers, opportunities, compare and contrast, and so on. So you're going to develop a communications effectiveness plan, okay, that's going to look at the following areas: gender, and it's not limited to these: generational, ethnic, and religious differences. So again, not limited at all to those. So step one, you're going to take the 4 areas and develop a business communications profile of each. And I've got those laid out for you. There are many resources available to you on the MyUSF. Please do look them over. For example, the CIA website is a good one, but there's many other ones. Make sure you use or lay out, and you decide the criteria. You lay out, and Gert Hofstede's another really good one. You lay out the criteria in a very systematic, similar pattern for each nation. Okay. So you choose however you want to, but choose wisely, because this is going to help you develop your communications plan. Because this is like an analytical. You're going to do a diagnosis, okay, of each country. You can have at least 5 criteria, but there are many to choose from. And again, you can choose as many as you deem relevant that are going to help you make this plan come to life. So then step 2 is develop a strategy for each of the groups. Okay, 5 total, and you can see them right here: USA, China, Mexico, Germany or German, and Israel. Okay, each plan must the analysis. Each of these countries you'll go through and analyze from step 1. Reasons why you chose your strategy. In light of the analysis, I chose to look at power distance because, and that's how you would tie those together. Be really careful to pay attention to highlight and account for differences between the U.S. and the country culture you're attempting to communicate with, or with which you're attempting to communicate. Shouldn't end with a preposition, sorry. So you'd go through each of these, and it lays out a scenario. So in the USA, you're going to develop a recruiting advertisement for Spanish-speaking technical support personnel. So how would you do that? You're going to do business in the United States, but you're going to try to advertise or speak to Spanish-speaking individuals to work for you. Plan number 2 is going to encompass a plan to negotiate to strike a deal to manufacture forklifts in China. And you'll be dealing with senior management, so that's who your audience is. Plan 3 is Mexico. Plan to communicate your U.S. company's mission statement to Mexican employees at their plant in their country. So you own the plant, but it's in Mexico. Plan 4, you're going to deal with the Germans. You're going to negotiate a deal to buy German chocolate and import it into the U.S. You can deal again with senior management. What do you need to know about Germany in order to communicate effectively? Okay, plan number 5, Israel. You're going to develop a relationship with Israeli high-tech firm to collaborate on research, and you'll be dealing with the researchers directly. What do you need to know about Israel in order to effectively plan for that negotiation and develop that relationship? So you want to carefully evaluate these, and spelling, grammar all count. Use concepts from the text, lectures, outside material. Please single space your work, but you can use bolds and bullet points as necessary. If there's any citations, use APA, and you'll upload this document to MyUSF when you're done. So enjoy this, and I look for great things.